Okay. Hello everyone, welcome to our tech space where we decode software creation. If you're into coding or just love tech, hit subscribe and come along for the ride. Imagine a toolbox, not for hammers and nails, but for building apps. This is your development platform where all the magic happens. Here is the deal. We have got a compiler that turns your code into an application and an editor that makes coding as easy as writing a message. Next up, a debugger, your best pal for catching bugs and fixing them really fast. Then we have got kind of like cool graphical tools that they are like a map helping you see the big picture for your application. And also, we cannot forget about the testing tools. They're like your quality checks, making sure everything works fine before you go live. Last up, we have something called project tools. Think of them as your project organizer, keeping all your code neat and tidy. So, what happens if we mix all of them together? We will get something called IDE. So what is an IDE? If we mix them all together, we'll get an IDE, which is an integrated development environment. It's like your all-in-one workshop for coding. An IDE brings it all under one roof. It's a workspace for your code, no matter if you are coding in Java or in any other language. When your app is ready, we will actually we will move it to a execution environment, as we said before in the previous videos. So it's now actually a show time. That's deployment time. We need to deploy our code into the server. But you have got to think about where and how your app will run best. If your app is like a puzzle, for example, deployment is making sure all the pieces fits just right on the hardware and software it will run on. So that is the lowdown of development platforms and IDE. They are your toolkit for turning great ideas into great software. Smash the like button if you are learned something new and drop a question if you have one. Stay tuned by subscribing for more tech talks. Keep coding and stay awesome.